Hello my friends, Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and what a month we have had. We have had so many awesome releases this month that you know what, I thought we need to do a video, just a recap of the entire month, because you know what, we had so many different releases, I'm worried you might have missed one or two. Oh no. Well, let's go check them out really quick. First, we released our stamp set, Barbecue to Stamp, and of course, yes, there are dies that match. Now, if you're not in the club, boom, you need to get this because how exciting is this, right? So go check out the tab, join the club, go check that out. You need to. Just stop right now and just go check it out. Club members, you stay here. Okay, now, we also released a lot of other fun products, including House Fold It, including, dun, 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 4th of July, show your patriotism, and look at how cute that little heart is with those fun stripes. 4th of July, so fun. We also released this fun Happy Everything. You know what? Sometimes you just need a catch-all. It's the perfect Happy Everything. Just brighten someone's day by sending them a card that says Happy Everything. I love it. Here's another one, Happy Everything, using the dies from our little gnome guy. Fold it. So cute, Happy Everything. We also released Happy Anniversary. So fun. We also released an oven mitt. Fold it. I know, isn't that adorable? So cute. I love it, I love it. And then here's a cute one, Hey Hot Stuff, with that barbecue set. Here's another one with that barbecue set with our double Z fold card. Look at that. It's rare to find a friend like you. You are flippin' awesome. Isn't that adorable? I know, so amazing, so amazing. And here's another cute one. Again, one of my favorites because Stephanie is in the pool and Ken is cooking. It doesn't get better than that, does it, my friends? We also released some new Totally Tiffany items. We also released some new Sequins and More bead bottles. You need to go to our website, thestampsoflife.com. Go to the home page, thestampsoflife.com, and all of our newest products are going to be on that front page. So go check them out. Make sure you have them. If you don't have them, get them now. Add them to your collection. And you know what? Let's have some more crafting fun. Thanks so much. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.